Introducing Skypress Search Engine. Build your own powerful search platform without complexity. The future of search is in your hands. What if you could launch your own search engine without coding, without expensive servers, without complicated setup? Now you can. Skypress Search Engine gives you the power to create a fully functional, lightning-fast search experience inside your own website, platform, or business, all in minutes. Build, search, dominate. Unlike traditional systems, Skypress is built for speed, simplicity, and scalability. No crawling, no indexing headaches, no technical barriers. It's search on autopilot. Instant setup with no coding required. Skypress automates the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Blazing fast results. Modern users expect instant results, and Skypress delivers. Search systems today must prioritize speed and relevance to keep users engaged and improve experience, and that's exactly what Skypress is built for. Skypress only requires PHP 5.5 or higher, 135 megs hard drive space, does not require MySQL or any plugins. Now let's talk about the search engine features. Skypress can create 3 types of search engines. The first is standalone search engine. This lets you build your own database from scratch and only search sites that you put into your database. Skypress also includes an internal spider that can crawl your local HTML files or external sites to help you build your database faster. The second type of search engine you can build is Search Feed Search Engine. This lets your search engine get search results from supremesearch.net in real time. Unlimited queries and no cost for APIs. The third type of search engine you can create is the API search engine. This option lets you create a search engine that can import search results from API sites like rapidapi.com. Other features that Skypress offer are adding background pictures to your search engine, edit your search engine title, monetize your search engine results, and much more. Frequently asked questions. Is hosting and a domain name required? Yes, you can use cloud or shared hosting. Any hosting that runs PHP will run Skypress. How much can I expect to earn a month? It depends on your ad publisher and how much traffic you have per month. Your traffic must be real visitors. Can I connect an API? Yes, you must parse your API yourself. Can I add my own sites? Yes, you can add your own sites. Built for speed, designed for simplicity. Traditional search engines rely on complex indexing systems and crawling infrastructure. Skypress flips the model. No crawling, no complex algorithms required, no expensive infrastructure, just fast, clean, direct search results. The sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Skypress isn't just software. It's a platform builder, a search engine creator, and a business opportunity all in one. Start building your search engine today. Don't rely on big tech. Don't depend on third-party platforms. Own your search. Own your data. Own your future. Get Skypress Search Engine now. Build smarter. Search faster. Grow bigger.